Have you ever wanted to view your web projects on your mobile device just like you do on your PC? In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to access your project from any mobile device with just your Wi-Fi. If this is your first time here, my name is Chris and welcome to today's video. So for this illustration, I am going to be displaying this app on my mobile device. And before we get started, you have to make sure that your phone and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Also, you have to have installed live server on your VS Code. And when you have started your live server, you should be seeing this port with the port number 5500. Then you open up your terminal. Inside your terminal, on macOS, you type in this command and enter. And right here, this is your PC's local IP address, and that's the number we are looking for. On Windows, what you should type into your terminal should be ipconfig instead of ifconfig, and you should find your PC's local IP address as shown there. So now that we have retrieved this number, all we have to do is copy that number and paste it into your phone's browser. And after a colon, you type in your live server's port, which is 5500 in my case, and that's it. As you can see, I can now view my projects on my mobile phone. Now, in a case where you are building, let's say, a React app with Vite, all you have to do is type in this command and run it, and you should see the default local host which you normally use to view your project, and then you can see the one with your PC's IP address. You can simply copy this into your browser, but note that for this to work, you need to have this script in your package.json file. And I noticed that sometimes when you create a React app, it just comes with this start script. So make sure that you have added this into your file, and then you run this command. And once you do that, you should be able to see this in your terminal. And that's it. You can now view your web projects on your mobile devices without any extra tools and just your Wi-Fi. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on cool coding tips like this. Let me know in the comments if you would use this. See you in the next one.